survived on the zebra crossing. Let's see on this side. We are on a zebra crossing. This is a typical zebra crossing in Uganda. Let's see if we can make it through. What is it real like? Walking on the streets of Kampala, the capital city of Uganda in East Africa. In this raw walking tour, we explore road safety, traffic chaos, border risks, and the real everyday dangers pedestrians face in Kampala. As we walk through busy city streets, three voices share real experiences, including a border accident survivor and a young businessman navigating Kampala every day. We talk openly about unsafe traffic, vehicle congestion, lack of traffic compliance, and how the city's rapid growth affects people on foot. This isn't just a tour, it's a street-level conversation about survival, awareness, and how to stay safe while walking in Kampala. If you are planning to visit, or live here, or just want to understand the real city beyond the headlines, this video shows the unfiltered reality unfolding in front of us. What's up, everybody? It's Barnabas here, walking in the streets of Kampala. I'm here walking, it's about 5 in the evening, and I'm walking on Mumba Avenue. So I just came from over there, and I'm heading to Wandegea, walking on the roadside. So if you ever visit Kampala, you have to watch out for borders. It's very important to look and be safe, because anytime they can just knock you off the ground anytime. One of my friends who works in a lawyer's office got the same problem. Just walking, crossing, and the border just strike her. See? You can see. They drive anyhow. They have no regard. So you can see them. These guys are just rushing, trying to make money, go to their destinations. Just look at the number of borders. Just look at this. We are on Urban Uganda. What's up, Arnold? How are you?
I'm good. What's up? How are you, barnabaz?
I'm fine.
Hey, we are happy to have you.
Oh, what a pleasure.
Hey.
I didn't know. I'm surprised that Uganda police also has border.
Yeah, they do.
Check that out right in front of us.
Yeah. Yes, indeed, they do have borders.
Look. And he's driving on the pavement. He's driving on the pavement. So while you're walking, you have to be alert, because somebody can come from behind and knock you.
Yeah, sure.
And as we have seen, the policeman is here on the sidewalk, which is meant for people.
I imagine.
Yeah. So you have to be alert all the time.
Yeah.
So I'm walking with my colleague here, Arnold and Harriet. These are people who have been in Kampala. They know. Once they give you information that you be alert,
but the truth.
it's nothing but only the truth.
Yeah. This happens to be the flashback.
booking office.
Oh, okay.
Buses to Kenya.
So there is a bus office right there for buses heading to Kenya. So it's called the Simba Bus Terminal. It used to be up there near the Central Police.
Yes, they shifted here.
Okay, there are changes all the time. So Arnold, what do you have to tell us about Kampala?
Obviously, we are here in Wandegea, which is my territory. I understand Wandegea very well.
Yeah.
I've been working in Wandegea for almost
more than 20 years, I believe.
I think it could be maybe 10 years. Wandegea is good, very beautiful city. Where it is part of Kampala, but it's in the central.
Wandegea is over there.
We are approaching YMCA, which is one of the oldest institutions in Uganda.
So we are going to cross over here.
Yes.
There is no zebra crossing.
There's no zebra crossing, and
so
our
survival.
Ugandan drivers don't respect one way.
So let me show these people how we are going to survive. No zebra crossing. We just have to make sure these cars coming and boda. And this is a one way, right? One way.
But you can see that there are people driving the opposite directions. We are used to that. Uganda is good like that.
But you know one thing I like about Uganda? If I'm late, I can just jump on a border, and then if it's one way, we go the wrong way. They don't care as long as they pay.
You see, what happens is, in most of the time, there's a lot of chaos on the road.
On the road. Yeah.
But this is what brings the chaos. Most of the people who use the borders, these motorbikes, you'll find that you are in a hurry, and the borderman is willing to take you as fast
as they can.
Yes. So because you are in a hurry, if he rides on the pavement, you will not complain.
Exactly.
So ideally, you are the one supposed to tell him to
and
slow
say,
down,
hey, slow down,
to stop breaking traffic
rules.
But in most cases, the passenger and the border person, they are both willing to break the rules in order to arrive at the destination.
I'm guilty for that.
Me too.
Because I've done that several times. Yeah.
Me too, I'm definitely guilty. I've done it several times.
Yeah, I'm guilty as charged because several times I've been late and
So across there we have Obunuzi restaurant.
Oh, Obunuzi. Can you imagine? That's an exciting name.
The owner is my friend.
Obunuzi.
For a long time it's called Pate.
Obunuzi means sweetness.
Sweetness in Runyankore, I think.
Wow.
Yes, so he named his restaurant Obunuzi restaurant.
People are creative.
Yes. And it is unique.
Yeah.
It is unique in that sense.
So Obunuzi, they serve what kind of food?
Local dishes. But of course, he has also different menus. He can serve pizza.
Yeah.
He's got burgers.
Oh, wow.
He's got really, the menu is diverse.
Okay.
I've not been there several times, but I know that I was there when he started, and I've seen it. I know what he promised to deliver, and he has been delivering.
Yeah, okay. So we are going to find our way across. It's going to be interesting. Hey, okay. You're crossing over there or this side? Yeah, okay.
I want to go to the pharmacy.
Oh, okay. Bye. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, nice having you.
All right, bye. Okay, that is this is survival. Look at that. But what I want to tell you, this is a typical day in Kampala. People are done with work and they are heading back home, and they have to get back to their homes. And what are the means? It's either a taxi over there or boda. Oh, we have a zebra crossing here.
Finally,
But then we have to still watch out. Oh. So you survived. You survived on the zebra crossing. Let's see on this side. We are on a zebra crossing. This is a typical zebra crossing in Uganda. Let's see if we can make it through. We are really trying to make our way through the zebra crossing. And apparently, we have navigated. Then the swarm of border borders here, and we survived.
So we have arrived at Annex Circuit.
All right, can't conclude. Let me just conclude this one. All right, thanks guys for watching. I am at my destination, and that was my video for walking on the streets, and you can see. So we'll see you next time for the next video.